Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that Africa must not be viewed merely as a source of raw materials, but as a continent that must lead in value creation and sustainable growth. Addressing the Namibian parliament, Mr. Modi reiterated India's strong support for the African Union's Agenda 2063, particularly its industrialization goals. He reaffirmed India's commitment to deepening collaboration in key sectors such as defense and security. Calling for collective action, the Prime Minister urged African nations to build a future not through power, but through partnership, while preserving their indigenous identities. He said India is deeply concerned about the global south and believes in growing together with the world, not just individually. Mr. Modi added that the true value of the India-Africa partnership lies in shared growth and shared purpose. The Prime Minister reaffirmed that India will continue to invest in building local skills, creating local jobs, and encouraging local innovation in Africa. Prime Minister Modi also reaffirmed India's focus on capacity building of African youth and expansion of healthcare infrastructure in Namibia. He highlighted that the MoUs signed yesterday, including those on entrepreneurship, health, and digital cooperation, will strengthen bilateral ties. Recalling the deep-rooted historical ties between India and Namibia, the Prime Minister stated that their friendship has stood the test of time. He noted that both countries not only cherish their past but are also committed to realizing the full potential of their shared future. Mr. Modi said, "The people of India stood proudly with Namibia during their liberation struggle." Prime Minister Modi conveyed greetings from the Mother of Democracy and the largest democracy in the world to the members of the August House and to the friendly people of Namibia. The Prime Minister paid tribute to the legacy of Dr. Sam Nujoma, the founding father of Namibia. He noted that the democratic values and principles championed by the founding fathers of the two countries continue to illuminate the path of progress in both countries. He lauded the role of the government and people of Namibia in deepening democracy in the country. Prime Minister Modi praised Namibia for recently electing its first woman president, calling it a landmark moment and a reflection of the continent's democratic strength. He also referred to Indian President Draupadi Murmu, the first tribal woman to hold the office, to underscore the transformative power of constitutional democracy in empowering marginalized communities.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.